Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Derek Austin's Level Up Travel. You know, I've talked about points, miles, rewards, credit cards in general. Love to talk about cash back, but also love to talk about those programs. Maximizing your points with the hotel programs, airline programs, the programs from the credit card like American Express membership rewards, like Chase Ultimate Rewards, Citi Thank You Points, Capital One Miles, and I also love to talk about travel in general. Today I want to talk about the Venture X, how to use your credits, the credits I've already used, and also I want to talk about Priority Pass. The one thing about Priority Pass, it doesn't just come to your home after you sign up for the card. You actually have to register your card, sign up for it on Priority Pass /Capital One, and then they will assign you a number. You can use it right away, download it to your phone, and they will also send a card to your house if you put your address in it, okay? So let's first go into the credits, okay? So credits, first of all, the $300 credits, straightforward. You basically have to go through the travel portal, book a flight or a hotel or some kind of travel through there, and you'll get the $300 credit. I use it on a family member, so after my family member took a flight, then the credit hit, I'd say, a day after the flight, so $300. So that was pretty great. Now, next part is the $200 vacation rental property credit, and that has some, you know, you don't have to just go on Airbnb, which is what it's made for, Airbnb and VRBO. Apparently it works on rent, okay? And it worked for me. I live in a complex that has their own website that you can pay with a credit card, and it comes through as such and such property manager. And I also knew that I've paid rent on my regular Venture card in the past, and it came through as travel, so I was kind of confident that it was going to work. And also, of course, I heard on places like Doctor of Credit and some other YouTube channels, I think Mark Reese's channel, great channel, and he was actually the first person that I saw it, and then I went to Doctor of Credit and saw that these data points were working. I tried it on mine. At that point, once I heard that data, I was like, it's gonna work on mine, and it did. And it took about 4 or 5 days after I made the payment to my rental property with my credit card, with my Venture X card, okay? So that was a little bit of a nuance. So if you are just trying to pay rent with anything, it's not gonna work. Like if you're doing a mom and pop and you're going through plastic or something like that, or if it's not, like, there's a lot of places that might not work, period. Yeah, if you're in like a place like mine where it's a complex and they have their own website, the payment comes through as such and such property manager or something like that, or you've in the past have paid rent with Capital One and saw that it's getting coded as travel, then you're cool, all right? So that's just a thing. It worked here. It's worked with many people out there, but just keep in mind the situation you're in, because it might work, but there's a lot of situations it probably doesn't work, okay? So that's pretty awesome for me. I already got $500 in credits, awesome. $395 annual fee, and of course I'm working on that bonus right now. So let's go into Priority Pass though, guys. So Priority Pass, it's an awesome Priority Pass. I've already given out authorized users. Other people I've already signed them up for Priority Pass. They got their Priority Passes already. I'm gonna do my own right now. I'm not gonna go through the whole application. I'm probably gonna finish it off after the video, but this is kind of how it works. So you have to go to Priority Pass, and I'll put the link down below, /Capital One, or you can go on Capital One's website and look for the Priority Pass link. But the easiest thing is to put Priority Pass /Capital One and just go to either, if you're on the search engine or if the website just takes you directly there, just look for the Capital One Priority Pass, and then it will look just like this. So this is the Priority Pass with Capital One. So you put your credit card in here, you put in, you know, the CAPTCHA in the bottom, and then it will take you here. Oh, well, not here, sorry. It'll take you here. So you see this page, okay? Join Priority Pass. This is, you have to select your country of residence. I've done this a few times, so I know what to do. And then you're on your way, okay? You put USA there, then you say select and continue. You get a free membership. put your personal information in, okay? You can name your priority pass, nickname it. I'm not gonna do it right now. After this point, you're on your way. Just go through the prompts and you'll get to the end where it shows you that you have priority pass. It gives you even your number, okay? It will also say, give you like a key, you'll see the QR code on the page, and it will be say that you'll be getting a priority pass in the mail, okay? So these are cool things I think that I think you guys just needed to know about the Venture X. Really good things. And, you know, you have an opportunity if you're a renter and you're renting from like a property, then you have an opportunity to use the vacation rental credit. Otherwise, you just got to use it, you know, on a vacation rental. So it's still a good use. I think it's a good use no matter what. I was excited, even when I didn't think I was gonna be able to use it on my rent. I always felt like that was a nice credit to have. So I was gonna use it eventually this year. And the other credit, the $300 credit, I think it was really easy to use. I think I got a fair price. I investigated the price on Skyscanner first. Saw the exact same price on Capital One travel portal. Worked out well. And again, the next day I got the $300 credit once the flight was taken, okay? So guys, that is the video. Like the video, please. It really helps the channel. Subscribe to the channel. We're at 399 people, subscribers. Almost at 400. At 400, I'm gonna try to give it another $25 gift card. I have not been successful in the last giveaways, getting it to people. There just has been a lack of communication. I've been trying, but guys, if, in the past, the two that in the past, please, yeah, I'd love to get you that $25 and $50 gift card, and this would be a $25 gift card. Whoever gets the 400. But you know, it's up to you guys. If it's not worth it to put the effort in or put the information out there, I get it. So anyway, thank you guys all again for subscribing. Again, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification. So every time I come up with one of these videos, you will be the first to know. Hope you have a great rest of your Saturday, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.